Isn't that funny? You can see me recording. You can either look here or look there. Food truck. Okay. Today we're going to start researching. You're going to look up food trucks and you're going to discuss or find out business designs and logos. Look up different truck companies. What do you notice? Do you see any unique designs? And list some ideas you might have for a food truck. Why are designs and logos important for a food truck? Yeah?
To get people interested in what you're selling.
Yep.
Because if you have your own logo, no one can steal it.
Yeah?
If you don't trademark it. You have to trademark it. You have to put your own
Hold on, yes?
T on it.
Yeah. A lot of times if there's like a big parking lot of food trucks, you're just looking at them. And if you don't have a logo or an advertisement or something that tells you what it is, it's going to be hard for them to want to come to your truck. Yes?
Can you do like a food truck that you saw in a show or something? Like an animated show?
Specifically a Japanese animated
Is
show.
it school appropriate?
Yes, the ramen truck.
Yes. Okay. So, but here's the catch though. You need to, I need your attention. So, you are going to pick one item with multiple, it's called multiple price points. So, for example, you might have a cheeseburger, right? Your basic cheeseburger. I need you to stop talking. The next time you talk, it's going to be a check. Basic cheeseburger, right? So that's one price point. But maybe you have the next price point that includes lettuce and tomato. So then that's a little bit more expensive. And then you might have one that includes lettuce, tomato, and bacon. Okay? And maybe you have just a regular hamburger. So you have a hamburger, a cheeseburger. That's a check. A regular hamburger, a cheeseburger, lettuce and tomato, bacon. Right? So there's 4 different levels, 4 different prices, because there's different amounts of ingredients, yeah? Give me a thumbs up if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, what's your question?
Why are you recording it?
Because actually Max is doing our math class with us. But he's doing it.
Oh my gosh, Max.
You want to say hi?
Show me. No. Can you see me?
I think we love Max. Okay, but anyways, so he's doing all of this work. But because of COVID and social distancing, he's doing it from the 5th grade classroom.
So is he just hearing us all yelling right now?
No, this isn't
Not
live.
live.
It's not live. What's your question, Julie?
It's not really a question. It's like kind of like a suggestion. If it was like the hamburgers, would it increase the price if it was like a thicker one than the regular?
Yeah, you could do like a double. That's a different way that you could have 4 different price points. Okay, so you need 4 different levels. Yes, Grady. Okay. Okay. So, does that make sense to everybody? Okay. Then what we're going to do, and we're going to do this in steps, we're going to look up the cost of each thing. So let's say we're going to have cheeseburgers. You're going to have to look up how much cheese costs and how much it costs per slice. So you're going to have to figure out how much your cheeseburger costs. How much is the bun? How much is the burger? How much is the cheese?
But you actually have to search that up.
You actually are going to search it up and you're going to calculate it. Yes, ma'am.
So, would it just be for the ingredients or for the stuff to help make?
Everything that you are going to put on your burger is going to be documented and counted. Yes.
So if there's a bag of like your cheese and slices, and it wouldn't tell you how much per
That's a
slice,
check.
would you need to divide it into like how many there was?
Yes. So we're gonna have decimals. We're going to add them and subtract them and multiply them. Wow. Yes. Jerry.
So basically, if we're gonna do a cheeseburger, we don't need a grill.
You don't need to calculate the grill.
Okay.
Yes, Grady?
Dad, you like gold steak? Gold? Gold, yeah. That's a
Okay, Mr. Beast.
Class.
Yes.
You can pick any reasonable items that you want.
Yeah, that is reasonable.
Isaiah,
Teams or by yourself?
by yourself.
Aw.
Did you have a question?
No.
Okay. Anybody had a question?
Can we just have one day we all have lunch in here and like we can bring the food from our food truck and we can eat it for lunch in here and we can have it delivered to the school because there's no microwave here.
I don't know about that.
That's actually cool.
Okay, I'm going to stop recording because I don't think that Max will need to hear all these questions. If Max has questions, he could just. Bye, Max.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Who else is doing it?